Fortune, you can give me back, huh? Yeah.
Okay, Dave ready for torture.
Get him!
Oh,
All right, round one.
he's getting in,
Try
getting
and take
in.
position, looking for weaknesses.
There you go. Yeah, he is.
Oh, there could be a way in there. Could be a way in there. Yep. He's digging deep.
Digging deep, digging deep.
Oh, they're bare skin. Yep. Yep. Always. Dave's got a jacket. It's a little more of a challenge. Yep. He'll wear him out though. They tear into his head a little bit. Yep. And take out the ears. Yep.
I'm helping.
Way in.
Round two. David's sealed off tight. Might have to come up for air. Scooter's going to wait him out.
Looks like you got something stuck on your head. Uh-oh. Jumping on you. Oh, hello. That was... Oh.
Looking for bear skin.
Look for bare skin. Sign of weakness. Yeah, maybe under there. Maybe under there.
No helping. He stretched up my forehead when you helped last time.
Yeah, he's got sharp teeth, claws here.
Yeah, he's digging right in, huh? I didn't have to pet you. Just hold my hand still and you pet yourself.
Okay. Oh.
Automatic dog petter.
It looks like a draw.
Alright, that's it then, say.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.